Welcome to Probability Video 5.7, Combinations and Poker Hands. All right, so here's example 7. So a standard deck has 52 cards. It's got 4 suits, clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades in alphabetical order. There's 13 ranks, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then jack, queen, king. Again, for poker, aces could be low or high. In 5-card stud poker, each player is dealt 5 cards. Okay, either you got the 5 cards or you don't. So part A, if order is not important, which it's not, either you got the cards or you don't, how many 5-card hands are possible? All right, well out of the 52 cards, just choose 5. So just 52, choose 5. And if you compute that with your calculator, you get 2,598,960. Okay, part B. In 5-card stud poker, a flush is 5 cards in the same suit. So basically all clubs, all diamonds, all hearts, or all spades. We don't care about the numbers, just having the same suit. How many ways can you be dealt a flush? Okay, so for this problem, I'm going to break it down step by step. So step 1. Step 1 is going to be, let's choose the suit to have the flush in. So choose the suit. Okay, how many suits are there? 4 of them. Out of those 4 suits, choose 1 to be your suit for your flush. So I write 4, choose 1. Okay, got that done. Let's do step 2. Step 2. What I gotta do now is fill the cards in that suit. So choose the 5 cards. Okay, well, how many cards are in a suit? Well, each suit has 13 cards, ace through king. And out of those 13 cards, I want to choose 5 of them. Okay, so 13, choose 5. And again, I'm going to use the multiplication rule, the number of ways of doing event 1 times the number of ways of doing event 2. And if you calculate that out, you get 5148. And then if the questions, so in 5-card stud poker, a 4 of a kind is 4 cards of the same rank and 1 other card. All right, so in how many ways can you be dealt a 4 of a kind? All right, let's do it step by step. So step 1. Why don't I choose my rank to have the 4 of the kind? So choose your rank. All right, well there's a total of 13 different ranks. Out of those 13 ranks, choose 1 of them to be your 4 of a kind. So that would be, out of 13 ranks, choose 1. Okay, step 2. Fill in 4 cards of the same rank. So let's just suppose we chose jacks as our rank. Then let's fill in 4 cards that are all jacks. So out of 4 jacks, choose all 4 of them. Now I know that's got a value of 1, but it's just as a methodical way to work through this. All right, so I've chosen my rank. I filled in the 4 cards in the rank. Now I've got 1 step left. Step 3, choose 1 other card. And when I say other card, I mean not the card that's in that rank. So again, let's suppose I chose to fill in the 4 jacks. Then pick 1 of the other cards. Well, there's a total of 52 cards in the deck. I've already got 4 jacks in my hand, so 52 minus 4 is 48. So 52 minus 4 equals 48 remaining cards. So out of the 48 remaining cards, choose just 1 of them. Okay, so again, I know that's the number 13, that's 1, and that's 48, but it's just methodical for me to set it up this way. So if you punch those numbers out, you get 624. And you'll notice The fewer number of times of getting a certain hand in poker, the higher the value is, and it beats out other lower ranked possible hands. Okay, one more, and this one's a little bit more challenging for some students. In 5-card stud poker, a straight is 5 cards in a sequence. Okay? Note, an ace can be low or high, but it can't be in the middle of the straight. So you're not allowed to go queen, king, ace, 2, 3. That's not allowed. Ace at the very low or ace at the very high. Okay, so I've listed all the possible straights or sequences. Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah, 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 all the way up to 10, jack, queen, king, ace. And how many ways can you be dealt a straight? Okay, let's step through this methodically. All right, so step 1, choose your sequence. These are all the different sequences. Let's choose one of them to be the sequence that we want. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 possible sequences. So the 10, choose one of them. So for example, let's just suppose we chose that one. Okay, then all I gotta do is fill in the cards just like I did above. All right, so step 2, fill in the first card. All right, so I want to fill in 8s in this case. All right, how many 8s are there? Well, there's 4 of them, but I just want to have 1 in my hand. So out of the 4 8s, choose 1. Okay, step 3, fill in second card. All right, so now I'm filling in the second card. All right, I gotta take in a 9. How many 9s are there? 4 9s, choose 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll do the same thing. 4, choose 1, 4, choose 1, 4, choose 1. That's for the 4th card, the 5th, oops. 3rd card, 4th card, and 5th card. So it's going to be 10 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. If you compute that, you'll get 10,240.